Historic helicopters made their names during World War II and the Vietnam War, and now they're being installed at the future National Army Museum in Fort Belvoir, Virginia. ABC 7's Richard Reeve was there today and has an inside look at those choppers and the museum's mission.
Right now, it is a massive 180,000 square foot construction site. But already sections of the National Museum of the U.S. Army are taking shape.
This is the Soldiers Museum, so we're telling the story of almost every Army soldier.
This area near the front lobby will contain the Soldiers' Stories Gallery, first-person accounts using the actual soldiers' voices. But there will be exhibits designed to entertain and educate visitors of every age. Now, this is one of the key exhibits. It's a Huey helicopter heavily used during the Vietnam War. For civilians and military alike, for many, this was a symbol of that conflict. On Thursday, work crews were suspending this Huey, also known as the UH-1B Iroquois, from the ceiling. This chopper, the Sikorsky R-48, was used starting in 1944 during World War II, the Army's first operational helicopter. One focus of this museum is to tell the Army's story through the eyes of its soldiers.
We have large-scale dioramas, if you will, of models of living people that we had cast into soldiers to show Army history throughout time.
The Army Historical Foundation has raised most of the $200 million cost. The museum set to open in 2020. In Fort Belvoir, Richard Reeve, ABC 7 News.